the future of leadership in a technological world. Welcome to this transformative journey into understanding the future of leadership in our ever-evolving technological world. Today, we stand at the confluence of digital disruption and human innovation, a dynamic environment that challenges traditional leadership while opening doors to remarkable opportunities. This session is designed to empower corporate leaders like you with actionable strategies and insights to navigate and thrive in this new era. Let's dive in. Technology is no longer a backstage enabler, it's center stage, transforming every industry worldwide. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation are reshaping workflows and redefining job roles. The dynamics of hybrid workplaces, global connectivity, and data-driven decision-making have emerged as powerful forces. Traditional command and control leadership styles are insufficient for addressing these rapid developments. Instead, leaders now need to be flexible, innovative, and emotionally intelligent. Leadership in this context is about aligning human ingenuity with technological progress while successfully preparing for continuous shifts on the horizon. The ultimate question: are you ready to lead in this evolving technological world? Let's find out by redefining what leadership truly means in this era. Resisting change is no longer an option. Organizations that fail to adapt risk stagnation, obsolescence, or outright failure. Leaders are the linchpins for transformation. They not only influence organizational success, but also directly impact team morale, culture, and productivity. Achieving success in a technologically disrupted world requires future-ready leadership. These leaders strike a balance between leveraging technology and building meaningful human-centric connections. They see technology not as competition, but as a partner, an enabler of creativity, collaboration, and better decision-making. So, how can this mindset shift be achieved? Through key leadership traits and adaptations, which we'll outline next. The future calls for leaders who embody adaptability, emotional intelligence, ethical integrity, and data-driven agility. Let's break these traits down. Adaptability. In a landscape defined by change, flexibility is the cornerstone of leadership. Future-ready leaders never say, "We've always done it this way." Instead, they welcome disruption and innovate ways to solve problems and seize opportunities. Emotional intelligence. Despite advancements in automation, technology cannot replace the emotional connection leaders foster with their teams. Listening skills, empathy, and the ability to understand what motivates a team help leaders build trust and resilience. Decision-making excellence. In the past, leaders relied on intuition and experience. Today, they must complement those instincts with real-time data insights to make sound, informed decisions. Visionary thinking. The future demands leaders who can think beyond the immediate and envision how today's tools and trends will shape tomorrow's strategies. This vision inspires and aligns teams with long-term goals. Together, these traits are non-negotiable for leading successfully in a tech-centric age, but traits alone aren't enough. They must be paired with a deep understanding of how to harness technology effectively. Technology, when used wisely, can enable leaders to nurture collaboration, increase efficiency, and foster innovation. Here's how you, as a leader, can harness its power. AI integration. Artificial intelligence isn't just a tool for efficiency, it's a partner in decision-making. Leaders can use AI to predict trends, identify opportunities, and optimize strategies. Think of it as augmenting human intelligence to lead smarter and faster. Data-driven insights. Imagine having access to robust analytics that show not only your team's performance, but also future opportunities. Leaders equipped with such insights can make proactive rather than reactive decisions. Workflow automation. Automation isn't about replacing people. It's about freeing them from routine tasks to focus on innovative and strategic work. Leaders who embrace automation can empower their teams to maximize creativity. Collaborative tools. With hybrid and remote work here to stay, digital tools like virtual meeting platforms, project management software, and cloud sharing are essential. Leaders who master these tools foster unity, even in global teams operating across different time zones. However, focusing solely on technology would be a mistake. Leadership in this age requires an equal focus on the human side of the equation. Even in a digital world, people remain at the heart of every organization. Genuine leadership acknowledges the importance of balancing technological progress with human values like empathy, inclusivity, and ethical decision-making. Empathy in leadership. The best leaders prioritize listening to and understanding their teams. Whether it's guiding employees through digital transformations or addressing concerns about job security, empathy distinguishes great leaders in this fast-paced, tech-driven era. Nurturing talent. Through reskilling, leaders must invest in their teams by encouraging lifelong learning and upskilling. Preparing employees for new challenges, such as incorporating AI tools into their roles, is vital for organizational success. Driving inclusivity. Technology has the power to eliminate barriers and foster diversity. For example, remote work opportunities enable companies to hire talent from underrepresented communities worldwide. Leaders who use tech as a tool for equity strengthen their teams and foster belonging. Ethical decision-making. With power comes responsibility. The use of AI, data, and automation brings ethical implications. Future-ready leaders must ensure transparency and fairness in their technological practices, protecting privacy and minimizing bias. Innovative leadership starts with a mindset shift. How can leaders reframe their approach as the world grows increasingly complex? Commit to lifelong learning. Change is constant, and staying relevant requires ongoing learning. Future-ready leaders embrace new skills, innovative technologies, and cross-industry insights. Set example by learning alongside your teams. Adopt a growth-oriented perspective. It's time to stop fearing change. The leaders of tomorrow view technological disruption not as a threat, but as an opportunity to rethink models, enhance team capabilities, and break down limitations. Balance innovation with ethics. Be cautious of shiny object syndrome. True innovation isn't about adopting every new tool. It's about judiciously selecting technologies that align with organizational values and solving real-world problems ethically. What does success look like in this space? The best way to illustrate future-ready leadership is through examples. Let's explore. Company A. This global tech firm exemplifies leadership adaptability. By strategically integrating AI to optimize supply chains, its leadership resolved bottlenecks and achieved industry-leading efficiency without compromising employee roles. Leader B. A forward-thinking leader in manufacturing, this individual invested heavily in reskilling employees for automation tools, empowering their workforce to lead the sector in innovation while maintaining high morale. Organization C, an international finance giant that used collaboration tools to create cross-border innovation teams, breaking down silos and delivering unprecedented results. Each scenario demonstrates practical steps in embracing technology while fostering agility, creativity, and inclusivity. The transition to future-ready leadership can start today. Here are immediate, actionable strategies. Start small with technology trials. Pilot a single AI tool or digital solution and evaluate its benefits before expanding further. Audit current leadership practices. Identify gaps where technology or mindset shifts can improve results. Promote a culture of experimentation. Allow your team to test innovative approaches without fear of failure. Encourage open communication. Incorporate feedback loops to better understand how your employees perceive technological changes. Invest in learning programs. Provide access to workshops, resources, and e-learning platforms for leaders and employees. These small steps can create ripple effects, transforming teams and organizations while preparing you for larger challenges ahead. The future offers immense possibilities for leaders who dare to innovate. With the rise of AI, quantum computing, and more, the opportunities for growth and creativity are limitless. However, these possibilities demand a focus on human values, ethical thinking, and inclusivity. Organizations with leaders capable of merging cutting-edge technology with compassionate leadership will become the most influential forces shaping tomorrow's world. How will you position yourself to be one of these leaders? As we conclude, remember that the future of leadership isn't just about adapting to technology, but rising alongside it. Corporate leaders must be architects of collaboration, champions of innovation, and stewards of ethical responsibility. Your journey starts here, with the knowledge and tools to lead not just effectively but transformatively. The call is simple. Act boldly and fearlessly, ensuring that the leaders of tomorrow are prepared to inspire, guide, and flourish in a world defined by technological brilliance. So, take this moment to reflect, strategize, and set your path forward. The future of leadership belongs to pioneers like you. Go forth and lead with vision, purpose, and innovation.